Hello, my name is Joe Napolitano, and I'm a longtime public education reporter. I've been writing on this topic for decades, but I've really spent the past 10 years focusing on one group of kids, young immigrants. I even wrote a book on the topic. In addition to that, and I'll tell you, it took almost as much work, I completed a massive investigation last year, surveying hundreds of high schools across the country, looking at the difference between their policy and practice when it comes to the enrollment of newcomer students. I am so excited to share all I know with you and to learn from you as well. I've written on so many different aspects of immigrant education, and when you come hear me speak, it'll kind of be the good, the bad, and the ugly of this topic. Districts doing everything they can to find these kids, enroll them, and retain them, and others doing everything they can to keep them out, even those that have a legal obligation to enroll these kids. So I cannot wait to share what I know with you, and I will see you in Missouri in just a couple months.